Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Looking for a smart way to save for healthcare? A Fidelity HSA could be perfect for you. It combines a powerful savings vehicle with robust investment options, all without those pesky account fees. Plus, you get those incredible triple tax benefits: contributions, growth, and qualified withdrawals are all tax-free. It's an ideal choice for both saving and investing your health funds, providing peace of mind for the future. Before you dive in, let's make sure you're eligible. The key requirement for an HSA is being enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. Also, you can't be enrolled in Medicare, and no one else can claim you as a dependent on their taxes. It's always a good idea to confirm your specific health plan meets the IRS guidelines for an HDHP, ensuring you qualify for this great savings tool. Opening your Fidelity HSA is quite straightforward. Begin by heading to Fidelity's website and simply search for HSA, or find the dedicated Health Savings Account section. You'll then be guided through the application, where you'll provide your personal information, like your social security number and employer details. Finally, review everything thoroughly, agree to the terms, and electronically sign to submit your new account application. Once your account is open, it's time to fund it. Many people find payroll deductions the easiest way to contribute, as money automatically transfers from your paycheck directly into your HSA. If that's not an option, you can always make direct transfers from a linked bank account, just like any other investment. Just be sure to keep an eye on those annual IRS contribution limits to fully benefit from the tax savings. One of the best features of a Fidelity HSA is the flexibility to invest your funds. You're not stuck with a minimum cash balance. Every dollar can be put to work for you. You'll find a broad selection of investment choices, from diverse ETFs and mutual funds to individual stocks, allowing you to tailor your strategy. Make sure to regularly check your account performance and adjust your investments as your long-term health savings goals change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.